Litecoin failing to find support from a key level here under the influence of bearish suggestions. Prices finding themselves below $144 here. Currently looking for what appears to be $114 still. That is going to be the strongest area of support that we have been anticipating. Continued interaction toward here as long as bearish robo advisors are present. So at the moment, in this sort of exact situation here, we do see a very minor technical discrepancy between the 5th of January here and the 4th of December. We see the 5th of January daily candle printing a rather bullish technical higher low of 129.8. That is going to be the low of January 5th. However, December 4th printed a low of 129.3. So a very minor technical discrepancy there. Technically a higher low. If price action were to continue to print higher lows from that level, that would be a very bullish sign of a potential bottom, if you will. However, we are floating in space here, so the key level we are looking for is still going to be $114 if we don't magically create support at current levels. So we are awaiting bullish interaction with support confirmed as we await the return of bullish robo advisors, technically under the influence of bearish suggestions ever since the $222 level from the 25th of November there. Since those sell suggestions, price action has experienced 41.9% in downside, still currently more than 38% down at current levels as we await bullish parameters to be met to allow for comfortable accumulation. This combination of robo advisors suggested a bullish area of accumulation at the $178 level. After accumulation, price action experienced 65% in upside before being met with bearish parameters there at the $222 level, allowing you to capitalize on 24.8% ROI if you chose to take profit at or above that level, and you were saved from 40% in downside here if you chose to utilize EngineeringRobo's bearish advisors. So we are awaiting the return of bullish parameters here. Let me know your thoughts on Litecoin if you saw this price action coming. So far things are going according to plan in my opinion. Let me know your thoughts on Litecoin. Increased adoption for crypto. Here we have an article titled Airbnb users want crypto payment options according to CEO's Twitter poll. The Airbnb CEO tweeted a poll asking roughly 400,000 followers what they wanted from the rental platform in 2022. It was revealed that the majority of respondents want to be able to pay with Bitcoin or other popular digital currencies when renting their next house or apartment on Airbnb. We are definitely looking into it, absolutely. Like the revolution in travel, there is clearly a revolution happening in crypto. Airbnb and crypto both have interesting relationships with trust. Here we have at the bottom of this page another article talking about a crypto exchange listing Airbnb derivatives contract ahead of IPO, stating that the CEO of Coinbase was a former employee of Airbnb, and it would appear that their ties and connections go back here and they intend to do business together. Well, in my opinion, it's always bullish to see increased adoption and exposure for crypto and Bitcoin here, especially with it being used as a form of payment, especially with such a huge entity here in the traditional world of finance. We have Airbnb allowing for its user base to now be exposed to crypto here. We even see that its current user base is actually requesting payments in Bitcoin, suggesting that Airbnb users are already into crypto. And so, in my opinion, this is just a very bullish sign here for increased use case for cryptocurrency overall. So let me know down below your thoughts on crypto. Check out this article in the description. But looking at today in crypto, we can see a red day here in the crypto sphere. However, I'd like to point out a lot of these projects experiencing between 10 and 16% in downside in cryptocurrency. That is not concerning in my personal opinion. While all the red does seem jarring, except for all the red in the projects here seem slightly jarring. However, if you look at it, if you zoom in here, this is not a very tremendous downside. This is a rather healthy, perhaps necessary pullback and correction needed for the final spring sort of upward here. One more pullback and dip to be bought up before the uptrend can continue. If we zoom out to this week in crypto, we're looking at a lot of projects still in the green. We do have ICP, RVN, Cosmos, Chainlink, Harmony, FTM, VLX, all in the green still. A lot of the projects in the red experiencing some healthy pullback here. Myota over 22% down, as well as Hexagon 37% in downside here. They've had some, nice upside here throughout the last kind of couple weeks. A couple coins experiencing over 20% in downside. However, in my opinion, some rather healthy consolidation necessary here for the continued gains and upside that I can still personally anticipate based on current factors, even though we have had some, very scary sideways and in a more recent break downward here. But let me know your thoughts on crypto down below, though. We're actually taking a look at Chainlink here, seemingly unfazed by Bitcoin's most recent price action here that very much wants to make its way upward, currently looking for support above a key level. We need daily candles opening and closing wicks and bodies above $24.79. That is going to be the key area of support here. We need to confirm. We do have some very bullish Robo advisors in play, the buy for and moon coming into play with the January 5th daily candle, suggesting continued upside here. We just need to confirm support as we make our way toward my immediate short-term target here for Chainlink, $34.09. That is where the most significant area of resistance is waiting for us. We're watching out for potentially $28.59 as a key level that could just be giving us a hard time overhead. However, my target is still going to be the aforementioned $34 level. We're just looking for support found near current levels. $24.79 is going to be the key level we need to confirm as support here to become bullish on accumulation with anticipated upside toward my resistance. Support down below waiting for us if we were to get rejected and continue any sort of downside is all the way down at $18.41. That is where support will be present here. We're just looking for one more bullish parameter to be met to allow for a comfortable accumulation here. Price action does seem to want to make its way upward. We're just looking for a confirmation of this key level we're currently interacting with. What are your thoughts on Chainlink? Let me know down below. Ethereum interacting with the strongest area of support here for us, the key level suggested as we made our way downward here, $3,414 per Ethereum. This is a key level we need to hold and maintain here moving forward under the influence of bearish suggestions. Technically, the strongest area of support waiting for us if we fail to hold this key level is all the way down at $2,320 per Ethereum. That is the next area of strongest support here. We do have some key levels to keep in mind along the way. However, at the moment, that is going to be the strongest area of support waiting for us if we fail to hold this key level here at $3,414. My opinion, I suspect we will likely hold here. However, we always await for the confirmations. We will need two of our chosen three Robo advisors to become bullish here to allow for comfortable accumulation, which will be at support as we make our way, upward here toward overhead resistance waiting for us, $3,923 per Ethereum, in addition to $4,626 as well. Two targets I very much anticipate interaction with here once support has been solidified, which does seem to be near current levels. So in my opinion, everything going according to plan. I still personally anticipate Ethereum over the $5,000 level here. We just technically may just not be ready yet. So we are awaiting the return of buy signals here as we confirm support down below. Bitcoin, crypto, the currency currently interacting with a key level suggested here. Price action failing to hold the magical area of support that we were forming. We were suggesting that if price action were to continue to print perhaps higher lows through this little zone here, we could find our way back upward. However, the key levels I was looking for continued interaction with was resistance overhead present at $48,577 with this potential area of support, $43,160 per Bitcoin. So this is a key level that we have been anticipating for some time now. Looking for hopefully support found and a confirmation of a bottom here under these conditions. Currently still bearish Robo advisors present, so we can anticipate a potential interaction with $34,655 per Bitcoin. Still an unlikely target in my opinion, but not impossible under these conditions. So we're looking out for the confirmations as we await the bullish accumulation and confirmations of support found. In my personal opinion, I am still bullish on a six-figure Bitcoin throughout this year. Technically, we just may not be ready yet by the dip, in my opinion. Let me know down below your thoughts on crypto, if you're bullish or bearish here, if you're buying or selling diamond hands or, sold your whole bag. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo for free with a link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out all the other social media down below and tune in for the next one.